want to talk about National Wealth Center's compensation plan, which uses the reverse 2-up system, and what you can achieve with the power of 4. For this example, I'm going to be using the $25 self-development to show you how much money you can make even with the smallest level. When you sign up for National Wealth Center, you sign up under a sponsor. That sponsor will help motivate you to bring 4 others in and join your team. How the reverse 2-up system works is you keep your first and third referral. Your second and fourth then go to your sponsor. At this point, you are what is known as fully qualified and no longer have to pass up any referrals to your sponsor. Everyone else that signs up under you become their sponsor. Since you no longer have to pass up any referrals, you keep your fifth to infinity. To keep things simple, let's just say you stopped recruiting people after you passed up your 4th referral. The 2 people under you would then recruit their own 4 people just like you did. Since you are their sponsor, you will now receive their 2nd and 4th referrals. At this point, you're receiving $25 from every single person under you, which adds up to $150 every single month in residual income. Now the same process applies to the last 4 people. They acquire their 4 team members and you receive their 2nd and 4th. At this point, you have 14 people under you, each paying you $25, which adds up to $350 every single month in residual income. When your last 8 team members receive their 4 people, you again receive their 2nd and 4th. When you reach this point, you will have 30 people on your team, each paying you $25, which adds up to $750 every single month in residual income. This is a chart showing the income potential with all 3 levels of National Wealth Center. If you have 30 people on the $50 level, that's $1,500 every single month. Now if you have 30 people on the $100 level, that's $3,000 every single month. Now imagine if you had 30 people on all 3 levels, that's $175 per person, meaning $5,250 every single month in residual income.